Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Loop. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, Anya and I are going to talk about one small English word that people use every single day. That word is get.
Hello, everyone. When I first started learning English, the word get confused me because people used it in so many different situations. But then I stopped memorizing rules and started noticing it in real conversations. That's when everything became easier.
Exactly. So today, we're not opening a grammar book. Instead, let's imagine a simple story. You and I are meeting at a small cafe on a beautiful morning.
I arrive first and wait for you. A few minutes later, you walk in.
I smile and say, "Sorry, I'm late. I couldn't get a taxi, so I walked here."
See? You didn't explain any grammar. You simply used get naturally. You wanted a taxi, and finally you managed to find one. Or in this case, you couldn't.
Right. Then I sit down, and the waiter comes to our table.
I say, "Can I get a cup of coffee, please?"
That's another everyday use. We often say get when we receive, buy, or order something. It sounds friendly and natural.
While we wait for our coffee, I look at my phone and suddenly smile.
I ask, "Why are you smiling?"
I answer, "I just got a message from my sister. She's coming to visit this weekend."
Nice! The message arrived, so you got it. Native speakers use this all the time.
A few minutes later, our coffee arrives. We enjoy talking about travel, books, and learning English.
After some time, I look outside and say, "It's starting to get dark."
That's another interesting use. Nothing was collected or received. The sky is changing little by little. We use get when something becomes different.
Yes! The weather can get cold, people can get tired, children get excited before a holiday. It simply shows a change.
Suddenly, my phone rings again.
I ask, "Who is it?"
It's my brother. He says he can't get home because the road is closed.
Here, get home means arrive home. We hear expressions like get there, get inside, and get to work every day.
We finish our coffee and decide to leave the cafe.
I stand up and say, "Let's get ready to go."
We put on our jackets, collect our bags, and walk outside.
As we walk through the park, we see a little boy flying a kite. He looks sad because the kite is stuck in a tree.
We help him carefully, and after a few minutes, he gets his kite back.
The little boy smiles and says, "Thank you! I thought I would never get it back."
One word, but another situation. That's why stories help us remember English better than long grammar rules.
We continue walking until we reach a bus stop.
The bus arrives, and we get on the bus.
10 minutes later, we reach our stop and get off the bus.
Did you notice? Nobody stopped to explain grammar, but you probably understood every sentence because the story made the meaning clear. That's the secret. Learn English through situations. Listen to conversations. Imagine yourself inside the story. Tomorrow, when someone says, "I got your email," or "I'm getting hungry," or "let's get started," you won't think about rules. You'll remember today's story.
And that's how English becomes natural. Small words like get become your friends when you hear them again and again in real life. Try making your own sentences today. You can say, "I got a gift," "I'm getting better," "let's get some food," or "I got home late." The more you use them, the easier they become. We hope this little story helped you understand how people really use get in everyday English. Thank you so much for learning with us today. Keep listening, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Loop.